Have you ever wondered about the complex processes behind the products we use every day? How does a small idea turn into a finished product? Industrial manufacturing is more than just numbers and machines. It is where creative ideas become reality and meet the needs of millions of people. Join us as we explore how manufacturers are using technology to create smarter and more sustainable products. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any videos. Centrifugal disc packing line for ball candy. The material needs to be durable to withstand the impact force during production and operation. The surface of the material must be smooth and easy to clean to ensure food hygiene and safety. Automatic bread forming and stacking machine is an industrial equipment used to shape and stack fermented bread dough into loaves of uniform shape and size. The dough is divided and shaped into loaves of bread according to the preset size and shape. Virgin plastic is fed into the granulator, which produces uniformly sized plastic pellets. If required, the plastic pellets are colored according to customer requirements. The plastic pellets are heated and drawn into fibers. Precise molds create beautifully shaped products. The mixed materials are fed into a furnace at a temperature of about 1400 to 1600 degrees Celsius to shape the glass. The molten glass is manufactured or blown into specialized equipment. After shaping, the glass is filtered and cooled gradually in the furnace to avoid cracking due to sudden temperature changes. The mixed materials are fed into a furnace at a temperature of about 1400 to 1600 degrees Celsius to shape the glass. The molten glass is manufactured or blown into specialized equipment. After shaping, the glass is filtered and cooled gradually in the furnace to avoid cracking due to sudden temperature changes. You can imagine a large factory with modern machinery lines. Chocolate ingredients are brought in and then shaped into beautiful lollipops. Every day, thousands of lollipops will be produced from this factory to meet the market demand. The plastic slipper manufacturing process can vary slightly depending on the type of slipper and the technology used by each factory. The molten plastic mixture is injected into a mold shaped like a slipper. Pressure and temperature are adjusted to create a product with the exact shape and size. After injection molding, the plastic slipper is cooled quickly to hold its shape. The copper wire is passed through drawing machines to reduce its diameter and increase its length. This process helps to produce copper wires with high uniformity in size and quality. The wire is passed through a coating machine to be covered with a layer of insulating material. This process ensures the safety of using the wire and prevents electrical short circuits. Natural and synthetic rubber. These are the main components of tires, providing elasticity and traction. The raw materials are weighed and mixed in a certain ratio to create a uniform rubber compound. The tires are cut to the desired size and shape, then thoroughly inspected for quality. What methods do you think are there to effectively manage the entire production process? The copper wire is passed through drawing machines to reduce its diameter and increase its length. This process helps to produce copper wires with high uniformity in size and quality. The wire is passed through a coating machine to be covered with a layer of insulating material. This process ensures the safety of using the wire and prevents electrical short circuits. Premium flour is the solid foundation for every cookie, carefully selected to ensure smoothness and high quality, giving the cookie a soft, spongy texture that melts in your mouth. The sweet taste comes from sugar, depending on your preference. It can be pure white sugar, rich brown sugar, or palm sugar with a distinctive flavor, creating different levels of sweetness. The plastic pellets are mixed with additives such as softeners, antioxidants, and colorants. The mixture is then melted in an extruder. The molten plastic is poured into a mold shaped like a plastic bucket. Pressure and temperature are adjusted to create a product of the exact shape and size. Mop manufacturing is an industrial process that turns raw materials, such as synthetic fibers, plastics, and metals into the finished mops we use every day. Synthetic fibers are cut into pieces of suitable length. The pieces of fiber are combined together using methods such as heat welding, gluing, or sewing to form strips of bristles. The bristles are cut and shaped according to the size and style of the mop. The ratio of ingredients directly affects the scent and quality of the product. The drying and baking process must ensure the right temperature and humidity so that the incense does not become moldy or burnt. Mixed with herbs, it has the effect of purify the air and relaxing the mind. Has a gentle floral scent, often used to create a relaxing space. Samosa is an extremely attractive snack with a crispy outer shell and a rich filling inside. The dough is rolled into thin sheets of even thickness. The dough is cut into different shapes, such as sticks, pieces, circles, depending on the type of snack. After frying, the snack is mixed with spices to create a unique flavor. In your opinion, what spices are commonly used to make snacks? Choose the type of steel that suits the requirements of durability, hardness, and aesthetics of the chair. Steel pipes and steel plates are commonly used. Use a welding machine to join the bent steel pieces together to form a complete chair frame. The type of weld will depend on the requirements of durability and aesthetics. Paint or plate protective layers to increase the durability and aesthetics of the chair frame. Would you like to know more about any steps in this process? Depending on the purpose of using the plastic sheet, people will choose different types of plastic. Each type of plastic has its own properties, such as hardness, durability, heat resistance. In addition to pure plastic, people also add additives, such as plasticizers, stabilizers, and colorants to improve the product's features. The plastic mixture is fed into the extruder. Under the effect of high temperature and pressure, the plastic will melt and be pressed through the mold to form a plastic sheet with the desired shape. Do you want to know more about a specific type of plastic sheet or the application of plastic sheets in a certain field? Industrial manufacturing is a magical world waiting to be explored. Join us as we continue our journey to uncover the mysteries of manufacturing and create even more amazing products together. Want to stay up to date with the latest trends and useful industry knowledge? Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our insightful videos.